So today we're down here under the Plymouth and we are going to put in these brackets that I made to fit the cross member that I made. This is a transmission cross member we made here. I haven't cut this because I don't know exactly how much of it I am and I'm not going to use. I know it doesn't look like it's in the best shape, but use what you got sometimes, right? So I made these plates and they're basically just some triangular pieces. See, I got another one here. Made them pretty close to the same thing. Obviously probably not perfect, but hey, whatever, you know. So real quick, I'm just going to slide that down just a little bit. Get my mask on. Not only do I not want to have the sparks in my face, but I don't want to breathe in the dust from these disc wheels. So we put one of these on. I kind of wanted to clean some of the scale up, but that's alright. We're just going to tack weld it in anyways. So, since we know our transmission pan is pretty much level, we'll put our mount and everything else level. And in theory, should all line up pretty well when we're done, don't you say? So we're just going to stick it in like that. We've already got it ground hooked up. So gotta get a lift or something here. This is awful. That didn't work out exactly as planned. Just kind of expected. I thought we would be able to strike an arc. But didn't want to. So okay. He's getting somewhere now. Alright. Ow! Woo! Bad fire. Hot. These must be the super flammable ones. I've had these before and they didn't really ignite like that. Gosh, I wish I would have put the car up a little higher. Oh, goodness. I feel like doing real quick. Alright. Don't mind me and my mumbles. There's always something in your way in the garage here, especially when you quite keep up on your cleaning like you should. And you don't put cars up in the air as if you're going to work on them. You just sort of put it there for, I don't know, storage. There, and then trying not to bang my head on the car again. And a bunch of stuff knocked in my face. Oh, everything's always behind you. That's all it gets for right now. And then we're going to do the other side real quick. So we'll slide pretty much all this that way. Leave that one clamped in, so hopefully that won't move. So, now that we got that one tacked in there and clamped to the bar, we're going to work on this other one now. So the other side didn't go so great. I hate using these wire wheels on a grinder. It's like asking for these things literally all over your body. But I want to clean this up right. Sorry if my head blocks the camera. I just don't want these things flying into my belly or into my face. I'd rather them fly sort of into my belly area. All right, now we know there's our light back. All right, we don't need this anymore, even though it's still a little uncomfortable under here. All right. the other side. Get our clamp to pull it down. And then we will have the welding helmet. Sorry if this is right in the way. I'm sure it probably is. But just a little something to sort of hold it in place. Get a little something on the other side real quick. Okay. Now, the next step is drilling the holes, putting the bolts in, and then once everything bolts in and everything's squared away, then the next step will be my eye is deceiving me, or is my level off, or what is going on here? Because to me, I guess it is a little off. No, I guess let's straighten it up. I don't know. I'll be damned if that doesn't look crooked to me. But who am I, right? Alright, well, if the bubble says it's flat, and everything else is flat, and the transmission is flat, and yada yada yada, then I guess it's fine. So, we'll leave that there. We'll put a bolt in. Actually, let's go ahead and burn this one side in real quick.